Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming network and devices. This ensures discovery. Open Google Home, sign in, and confirm the Chromecast appears. This lets your phone talk to the dongle. Next, open the streaming app you want to cast from because the cast control is inside the app. Do this now. Once done, look for the cast icon in the app. If you don't see it, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band and that any VPN is off so discovery can work. You tap the cast icon, which sends a discovery packet to the network. Choosing your Chromecast initiates a session so the TV streams directly from the cloud or phone. Once connected, the app becomes a remote. Cue content, scrub timelines, and change quality if available. Make sure to keep the app open while you control playback. Closing it usually hands control to the TV, but you may lose in-app features. If prompted, confirm playback on the TV to complete the handshake and start streaming. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose disconnect so playback stops and resources free up. This ensures the Chromecast returns to idle. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast and router because a fresh network state often fixes discovery and buffering issues. Also check your iPhone's Wi-Fi, enable local network access for the app, and update the apps. These address most permission or compatibility problems. If the TV shows no signal, cycle the TV input and try reconnecting. You'll usually restore the link quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.